Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel. Just to switch device ringtone, swipe to the left or to the right side. That's volume panel by this way. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first click to the advanced settings and be sure that here in volume button function you have selected the ringtone volume, not the media one. And after that, just press up or down volume button here on the left side of your device. And by this way you can also switch your device volume, ringtone volume. And we can do it by the third way. Just press up or down volume button. We can see that so simple, and by this way we can also adjust the ringtone volume of our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.